In a selector valve systems, we have bleed fittings on one side of the manifold line. We also have bleed fitting on each side of the pilot line. So we can check all these bleed fittings if they are working properly. And we also have these non-return valves sitting both here on the system. Those we can also dismount and we can test them individually. So we move over here and we have these two. One is test no flow and the other one is to test if there is flow. Now for this unit, the bleed valve, I want to test if there's that was the wrong one. That was the right side. Here we go. And I'm gonna put that to my testing tool. I still have a CO2 cartridge in here with pressure on. So again, depending on how much you're using it, then you may have to replace a CO2 cartridge in here. Now the first test I'm gonna make, because a bleed valve should leak under these 2 or 3 bars. So if I just release a little bit of pressure, I should be able to hear sound of the leakage. So I'm gonna do that. And you can hear and feel there's pressure coming out. Now, if the pressure raises above the 3 or 4 bar, then a pin will come out and block 4 leakages. So now I can determine that it is not leaking anymore, and I can then release the pressure of this one, and when we come down to, I don't know if you can see it properly, but when we come down to around the 2 bar, it will reset this piston. And sometimes you have to turn it a little bit more. And now it's reset. So this one works.